Hello everyone, welcome to Lamina Nails. In this video I'll be showing you this very simple look that I did for the new year. I know last year's was a little on the overboard side, but this year is a little toned down, something that is easily done, I think actually wearable, and honestly you can make up the nails short and it would still look pretty cute. So I already did my left hand. I'm going to start with my right hand. Now I am right hand dominant, so you will see some slowness as I do my right hand. So ignore the green spots on there. I was doing a different design and then I backed out and decided that wasn't for me. So I'm buffing up the nails. I'd already put on the extensions and everything. And here I'm just buffing them up, shaping them into place. I'm going in with Beetles Jelly Nude. I'm not sure what this color is called now because the last time I bought it, it was not this color. But it's basically just like a nude, jelly nude color. This one was JN10, but I'm sure it's different now. I'm going over 3 nails with it. Just like 3/4 of the way down the nail, and then I'm going to use a little blending brush to get that where it sort of like seamlessly blends into my nail, just for a little coverage at the tips. I wasn't really looking for full coverage on this one, just something nice and wearable. Then I'm going in with Beetles in 210. This is a iridescent glitter with silver, and like it has a bunch of different colors in it, just to lay down for prep for the holographic glitter I'll put over the top. So on this step, don't wipe off the sticky layer, leave the sticky layer because you'll need it for the next step to make sure that that glitter adheres to it. I got the glitter from AliExpress like quite a while back. I'm not sure where to find it, but I do see them in lots of sets on Shein. So just press that into that sticky layer on the glitter. Good thing about this one is you don't have to actually cure the main part of it, like, you know, for a full minute. It's only like 30 seconds each, so you're not really exposing yourself to that UV light for long. Then I'm going over with an iridescent glitter, or like a color shift glitter from Shein. It will be linked in the description box if I can find it. It's magnetic. I just wanted it to sort of have a cat's eye, not a really strong one though, just a sort of like subtle cat eye on the nail. Then here, after everything was in the lamp and cured, I'm going over with Beetles foundation. It's their base coat. Going over those 3 sort of like nude beige nails and taking the second smallest of the AB crystal rhinestones, and I'm putting 2 on each nail. It's a very simple trend I've been seeing lately, and I really do like it. I think for like everyday me, it's perfect. For tacky me, it's understated, but for everyday, it's like a really nice look. Then cure that one, and then go in with that foundation again, just to sort of build up the outside, you know, give it a little more support so that they're not, you know, falling off all over the place. Don't go over the crystals. I have been seeing a trend where they go over the crystals and make them sort of like domes, which is pretty. So if you do like that, feel free to go over the crystals. Otherwise, don't go over the crystals because they will lose their facets. The gel sort of does that to the crystals. So you can wipe them off before you cure it if you do go over the top. But otherwise, that goes into the lamp. Basically, everything goes to the lamp for 30 seconds until that top coat. And then that goes into the lamp for a full minute. You can see that super glitteriness that's going on here. I don't really care for when they do that on Instagram, but I did it here for some reason. But going over with Madame Glam's glossy top coat. I do like that top coat when it's a very simple look because it's very glossy. Like, it's extremely glossy, and it's a nice top coat to have. But that is the finished look. I did try my hardest to avoid going over those crystals. I'm gonna put some lotion on. I'm using, who is this? Perlier's orange. Basically, that is the completed look. I do hope that those of you who like more simple looks got something more out of this than my more dramatic looks. But I wish you all the best, like New Year, holiday season, whatever time you might be watching this. I wish you the best, and I hope that you like this. Please have a wonderful day. Same to your family as well. Just sending you all the good stuff. Bye.